viewers, this is MD Zubaya. Welcome to my channel Smart Coding. Hello viewers, today I will show you how to create a form from the table. We created a table in Microsoft Access in last video, so we will be using the same table to create the form. So you can use different method, like you can drag and drop the table fields on the form, or you can use the form wizard. So I'll be using the form wizard. So just click on the form wizard. It's taking a bit long. Okay, now you see the dialog box under the table queries. Table is already selected there, table students, and you select the table, and under that available fields, you can see all the fields you have available from this table. You can select the fields you want to add in a form. So I will be selecting them one by one, like whichever fields I need to put in my form, I will just select them. So yeah, that's all I think I wanted. So yeah, click on next. So you can choose the layout from there, and if you want to change the name, you can change the name. Okay, now you see the form already created. So the wizard created this form, so it's not that design is not that perfect. So if you want to change the design, you can do it from here. Just right click and design view, and you can do whatever you want to do from here. On the right, you see the right pane, all the fields over there. If you want to change any fields, drag and drop, just drag and drop, that will happen. And yeah, the form is already created, so it's up to you how you're gonna design it. So I'll show you just little bit, because designing is totally up to you, and all the tools are over there in the menu. So it's on your expectation, whichever way you want to design it, you can do it. I'll just show you a little bit from here. Yeah, you see, you can change the background, and also you can group the fields if you want to. Then the form will looks bit better. Okay viewers, I think that's it. I hope you will be able to create a form by yourself now. Thank you very much to stay with me. See you next time with any other video. Thanks very much.